Hi, my name is Grace. Today, let me explain you how to use Paramount's vacuum leak tester i9. This is a world-class equipment manufactured by Paramount, which comes with our exclusive lifetime buyback warranty. This equipment is used to determine the faults in the package seals before it reaches the consumer. It evaluates the vacuum sealing of sachets, flow wraps, lockable pouches, etc. Now, let me explain you about the control panel. This is the main power switch. This is the power indicator. This is the reset switch for resetting the previous values, and this is the start switch. This is the microprocessor-based advanced controller. On this controller, first we will set the vacuum pressure. We will set the vacuum pressure to 450 mmHg. This is the highest vacuum pressure that this equipment can attain. Now we will set the time duration of the test to 180 seconds. Now, we will set the accuracy of the vacuum, and we will set this to 8%. And this is the printer interval timing, that is after how many seconds the printer will print the reports. We will set this to 10 seconds for accurate testing, and after setting these 4 things the machine is completely ready for testing. And this is the sample that we are going to test. Simply put this in the desiccator and close it tightly. After that, just press the start button and the machine will start the testing. The vacuum leak tester will then smartly and very accurately start building up the pressure inside the desiccator. If your sample can sustain your desired pressure, in this case 450 mmHg, then this equipment will maintain the pressure inside the desiccator for some time, to test the actual sustainability of the sample. This is the advanced printer that comes with the equipment. At this point the test of sustainability of the sample starts. The printer will continue printing the reports, and from this point it will print the reports for 180 seconds, that is 3 minutes. It will print the reports in a regular interval of 10 seconds. Both of these values were set by us earlier and are completely customizable. After the 3 minutes have been completed, the machine will alert the operator with an alarm, indicating the finishing of the test. To get the report from the printer, just press the eject button. This detailed report will show you the set pressure, actual pressure value at that point of time, peak pressure value, and the time it took for the equipment to reach the 450 mmHg mark.